So today we're going to make shirataki noodles from, it's not actually from Miracle Noodles, it's a Japanese brand, and it's pure konjac here, pure shirataki in here. So I actually cut this one out from the plastic. So okay, so the first step is to open the package. Then after that, you have to use this one. Have to use so pwede rin natin siyang i-boil out of the hot water. So we're going to boil our shirataki noodles here para mawala yung smell niya. The fishy smell. Yeah. So we're gonna put it here, let's turn it on. And put it in fry or stir fry. Will do. So first we have to set the settings into fry muna para mag-heat talaga siya. It will take a while, but it's not too long naman. We will set the settings into fry. Ayan siya. So, we have to put on our noodles na, shirataki noodles, into the pan. Okay, so we can actually hold it and put it down. So it's already here in the frying pan. So you have to put it here. So I should wait until it boils down the entire noodles. We actually boil this for like a minute lang. Kahit sandali lang. Body will flow yung smell. Although, yeah, it will take a lot of rinsing process, but okay na naman at di ko mawala yung smell. And ito, after you cook this, wala ka na gagawin after you cook. So, it's really easy to prepare this. Mahaba lang yung process from yung raisins, the raisin part, because hindi natin mawala yung smell, the fishy smell. Yeah. Boil it down. Boil lang siya ng pan. So we already transferred the noodles from the bowl. So we strain them and then, ayan, prepare natin yung stir frying pan. Now that our pan is ready, so we can put it here. Be careful. Now here we can actually, we have to stir fry this one until the water dries out. As you can see, meron pa siyang water. So we just measure it, we can dry it out. You can actually put this setting into stir fry mode if you want it to stir. You can lower it down to 400, then you have to cook this one until it dries out. I think this one is dry now. It smells something like this. I will be needing a pan talaga without this one. A whole pan, non-stick pan in the future. So as of the moment, ito muna yung grilling pan. yung gagawin natin. Na-stick ko na siya. Right. So we have to wait a little more. So mamaya ako na siya. I think we should have so we have to put this one on the table. Okay. So we now have our noodles that we cooked a while ago. So this one is okay already, and so on top of it, I decided to go on for a tensure tuna light. So it has 70 calories in a 56-gram serving. So this whole container kasi it takes 180 gram, I think. It's 180 gram. Ayan, net weight is 180 grams. So, I will put on like siguro mga a pinch of this one. Or onti lang yung ilalagay ko so that, okay naman siya. Okay, we have to open that one first. Okay. We have to open this one. Okay. Okay. So this is now my pasta. This is actually the pasta with century tuna itself. Ayan. So let's try it. So yeah, that basically everything is just simple. So you can have your own recipe. Kung gusto mo ng mas malasa pa. I decided to go on with this one, like century tuna lang. Para unti lang talaga yung calories. So I'm really counting and eating lower than 200 calories, if ever kaya. So I'm really trying to eat for no more than like 200 or lower than 500 calories yung kinakain ko. So if you want something na gusto mo, parang pasta, you can go for it. Alfredo, something white sauce, spaghetti sauce, you can do everything on this one. Based on the recipe that you really want. So again, this is personally my own recipe because I wanted to lower down my calorie intake. So, okay, so bye guys. Yan muna up to this moment. And yeah, go.